Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about K-maps, that is Karnaugh maps. These K-maps are used for minimization of Boolean expression or Boolean function. In previous video we have seen that Boolean algebra is used for 4 theorems. We will use for minimization of Boolean expression or Boolean function. But more than two variables it is difficult to solve with by using that 4 theorems. It will be so clumsy to solve. So Karnaugh introduced the K-maps, an easy way to solve the minimization of to minimize any kind of Boolean expression. So before going into topic, we need to know the binary to gray code conversion. What is binary code and gray code before going into the K-maps. The conversion is nothing but if B3, B2, B1, B0 is a binary code, that is converted into gray code by applying XOR operation. B3 is directly it is G3 in gray code, and G2 is obtained by applying XOR operation between B3 and B2, and G1 is obtained by applying XOR operation between B2 and B1. Like that, Z0 is obtained by applying XOR operation between B1 and B0. So in this way we will convert the binary code into gray code. Okay, so first thing is binary code to gray code, and the second one is if n variables are given. If a function consists of n variables, then there will be 2 power n cells. Cells we are going to see later. 2 power n minterms, it has 2 power n cells and 2 power n minterms. Minterm is nothing but it will be the AND operation between the variables. Okay, 2 power n cells. First, if we go for the 2 variable K-map, each box represents the cell. So for 2 variables there will be 2 power n cells, that means 2 power 2, that is 4 cells. So we have here 4 cells. How to draw this? First, draw a box and draw a line which either side of the line represents either side of we need to write the variable for either side of this line. Here we have 2 variables, so A, B, 2 variables. So A has 2 combinations, that is 0 and 1, and B has 2 combinations, that is 0 and 1. So A has 2 combinations and B have 2. In minterms, A is represented as A bar and 1 is represented as A, and 0 is B bar and 1 is B bar. After drawing this, every time remember friends, here in a box, this side we need to write the gray code and this side we need to write the gray code, whereas in this small rounds we need to write decimal equivalent of that code. That means if here we need to write gray code 0 1, binary code 0 1 is represented as 0 1 in gray code, 2 are same. So 0 1 0 1, here we need to write 0 0 equivalent is 0, 0 1 equivalent is 1, and 1 0 equivalent is 2, and 1 1 equivalent is 3, right? So in this way we represent the 2 variable K-map. After okay, let us see the 3 variable K-map also, how we will represent it. 3 variable K-map is it consists of 3 variables. So 3 variables, how many terms of how many cells are there? 2 power 3, 8 cells, and 2 power n minterms. 2 power n means 8 minterms. So in 3 variable K-map we have only one line, so we need to write 2 sides, 2 variable. In case of 2 variable we write 2 variables on either side of the line. In case of 3 we need to combine 2 variables. We need to write combination of 2 variables on one side and the remaining one on the other side. Okay, if we write A, then it is A here and here AB, BC. Here if we write B, here AC. If we write C, here it is BA, okay, or AB. So in this way we need to write. So here 2 combinations are there, 2 variables are there. So number of possible combination is 2 power 2, that is 4. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. 1 1, why it is 1 1? Your doubt. That is expressed in gray code. We already said binary to gray code of conversion of 2 bits is 0 0 is 0 0, 0 1 is 0 1, 1 0 is represented as 1 1. How? 0 is 0. If we apply XOR operation between 0 0, we get 0. 0 is as it is. If we apply XOR operation, 0 1 is 0, 1 is as it is, 1 XOR 0 is 1, 1 as it is, 1 XOR 1 is 0. So in this way gray code is obtained. You need to write the gray code here 0 0 0 1 and 1 1 1 0. Here for one variable the possible number of possible combinations is 0 1, right? So we need to write like this. After here we need to write decimal equivalent. 0 0 0 is 0, 0 0 1 is 1, 0 1 1 is 3, 0 1 0 is 2, 1 0 0 is 4, 1 0 1 is 5, 1 1 1 is 7, 1 1 0 is 6. In this way we need to write. Each cell represent the min term. So there are 2 power n cells and 2 power 2 min terms, m0, m1, m2, m3. In this way each cell represents its equivalent min term. Okay, so this is the basic representation of 2 variable and 3 variable K-map. Then how to minimize the expression by using these K-maps, we are going to see now that. So now to solve this we need to know pairing rules and these node points. We need to know this. To understand this I'll take an example and from that I'll explain these rules and these nodes. Okay, node points. So example 1 is f of xy is sum of 0 comma 2 comma 3. If like this is given, first draw the K map, which has it has 2 variables, so it need to have 2 power 2 cells, so that is 4 cells. If we draw 4 cells, 2 variables xy, let us take 2 variables like this. 0 1, possible combination 0 1 and 0 1. 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 2, 1 1 is 3. Here they have given 0 2 3. So just if like this is given, it represents that m0, m2 and m3 has the bit is 1. It has the this 1. Remaining all are 0. That means remaining is 1 only, that is m1. So here 0 2 3, write 1 in their respective boxes. Write 1 in their respective boxes which are given, and remaining 1 is 0. So if you see here, here the pairing rules, that means here how many maximum number of pairing is maximum number of pairing is possible. If it is 1, the maximum number of pairing is 4 na? That means it is nothing but 2 power 2. So how many number of cells are there, that many number of pairing is possible. Okay, so here it is not 1, here it is 0, therefore 4 pairing is not possible here. 3 pairing is not exist. We need to pair, always we need to pair in 2 powers. That means if 2 power 0 is 1, if 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power n 2 power n pairing should be done, each pairing. If 2 power 0 n is 0, 2 power 0 is equal to 1. So 2 power 0 is 1, it has only 1, that is isolated. It won't pair with anything. So if 2 power n is equal to 1, 2 power 1 is equal to 2. 2 1s are present, that means these 2 1s can be paired with each other. If n is equal to 2, 2 power 2 square, 4 pairing can be done like this. 4 pairing can be done. Okay, 4 pairings can be done. If or else we can also pair like this, 4 pairings. If n is equal to 3, 2 power 3, 8 pairings. So only multiples of 2 pairings can be done. There is no possibility of pairing 6, pairing 3 ones, pairing 6 ones. There is no possibility. Here also, if you see here, 3 ones are there. So there is no possibility of pairing 4. So go for the 2 pairings. 2 pairings, how many we can write? These ones can be paired, and these can be paired. So anything which is included in one pairing can also be included in other pairing. but don't leave this one as isolated, because it has adjacent pairing one, so it should be paired with the adjacent pairing one. So don't leave that. If it is included in one pairing, in one loop, this, let us consider this as a one loop and this is the second loop. If this one is included in one loop, no problem, it can be also included in other loop also, can also be included. So this is only drawback we have in K-maps. This can be cleared in another topic, like don't care maps. That will come in another chapters. So here two pairings have done for loop 1. First see, in loop 1 this is a row, right, this is a column, right. So in loop 1 y remains same. In a column, the column element, this 0 remains same in column for anything. So y remains same. Okay, y remains same. What is y actually? Is 0. As we discussed earlier, if 0 is there, that is y bar or y dash or y dash. So y dash. Here x changes. So ignore the variable which is varying. This is the most important point. Ignore the variable which is varying. So we get y dash plus, in this second loop, y is varying from 0 to 1. This is a row. So x remains same, that is 1. So x remains same, that is 1. So that is represented as x only. So this is the Boolean, minimized Boolean expression for this f of x is equal to sigma 0, 2, 3. This is a minimized Boolean expression. Okay, this is one of the example. You can do 2 variable easily, but for 3 variable it makes some difficult, even though it will be easy if you practice more. So now we have seen the example. In that example, what we have learnt, that is 2 variable K-map. So pairing should be maximum, pairing should be in 2 powers. So 2 powers, that is 2 variable one, the maximum pairing is 4 ones. Okay, if n is equal to 0, only 1, that is isolated one, no pairing is possible. If n is equal to 1, n is equal to 0, that is isolated one. If n is equal to 1, 2 power 1, that is equal to 2. It has only 2 pairing, that means 2 ones are present. So one pairing is one loop, it creates one loop. By pairing these adjacent ones, it creates one loop. If n is equal to 2, 2 power 2, that is 4. 4 adjacent ones creates the loop. Like this, it can be like this, it can be like this. So if n is equal to 3, yeah, it like that, only 2 powers pairing can be done. And coming to this, ignore the variable which is varying. In writing the Boolean function, if you see the bits of each variable which is varying, the bits of variable which is varying, ignore that variable and write the variable which has this constant bit. Okay, here note, look for the minimum loops and maximum one pairing should be done if n is equal to 2 power n maximum. So this will be discussed after discussing the example of 3 variable K-map. Okay, so here f of x comma y comma z is given as sigma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. First draw, 3 variables are there, so first draw a box. 3 variables are there. If we take like this, it will be okay, or else we need to draw 4 rows. If we take 2 variables this side, if you take 2 variables this side, we need to draw 4 columns. Okay, if we take, if I am taking x this side and yz as this side, yz has 4 combinations, right? So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, gray code should be taken, remember this. Okay, 4 columns, draw 4 columns and 2 rows, because x has only 2 combinations, 0 and 1. So 0 0 0 is 0, 0 0 1 is 1, 0 1 1 is 3, 0 1 0 is 2, 1 0 0 is 4, 1 0 1 is 5, 1 1 1 is 7, 1 1 0 is 6. Okay, we have done. What they are given, min terms 2 3 4 5. Write 1 in 2 3 4 5, remaining all are 0. Remaining all are 0. Okay, 0. So we have this. Okay, done. Here look for the maximum number of possible ones are 2 power 3 8 na. So that is not possible because it has two zeros. This is not possible. Next 2 power 4 combination, 2 power 2 4 ones pairing is not possible because these two ones are other corner and these two are other corner, they are not adjacent. This is not possible. So 2 power 1 2 pairing is done. 2 pairing is possible because these two ones are adjacent and these two ones are adjacent. Let us consider this as one loop and second loop. One loop can be written as, see here carefully, this is a row, because so it is a row. X is always same for a row. X is always same. So write the variable which is same and ignore the variable which is different. So here x has the same one in these two common, in this loop x has the same, so write x. So in this two, here y is 0 and here for this one y is 0, so y also has the same, there is no varying, it is constant, so there is y, write y, but y is 0, so write y dash. If it is 0, y dash. If it is 1, y. Okay. Z is varying. It is 0 here. For this one it is 0. For this one it is 1. So Z is varying. Varying should be written or not? It is ignored. Ignore the variable which is varying. Okay. That should be careful. Z is varying. So we need not to write Z. Plus again, what is this here? It is a row. So x is same for this one and this one. X is same, that is 0. X, that is 0 na, that's why we write x dash. Okay. Next for these two, see the y is 1 here, y is 1 here, so y is also same, but it is 1, so write only y. See for the z, here z is 1, here the z is 0, it is varying, so ignore that. This is the final minimized expression for this question. So in this way we need to solve the 3 variable k map. Okay. So coming to the note points, we need to see for the maximum pairing. In previous example we have seen the maximum pairing like 2 power 3, it is not possible. Next went for the 2 power square, 2 square, that is 4, it is not possible. Next went for this. So first see the maximum ones pairing. Okay, should be done. And this point is look for the minimum loops. As we seen there, one loop and one loop, there is 2 loops we formed there, no? So the see max possibly you go for the minimum loops. That means if another one is there here, another one, this loop creates one, if we create this as one, this as one, that will create the 2 loops. So if we take 4 pairings, this will create the 1 loop. These 2 points are same, but its meaning is same, but expressing is different. Look for the minimum loops and for maximum ones pairing. Okay. This is our 3 map, 2 variable and 3 variable k maps. If you understand this video, please like and share. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel for more videos.